Hi guys, it's Mark here, and today I am standing in front of this 3-bed link detached property over in Burntwood. It's on the market for 285,000 and it really is something that needs to be seen. The vendors, they've only lived in the property for around about 3 years, and they have put the heart and soul into renovating this property out. Brand new kitchen, new bathroom, boiler and central heating system, carpets plastered throughout. They've done some electric work in there as well. They've done some work to the garden. You've got parking for 2 cars on the driveway, and you've got the single garage to the side, which goes back right the way to the back of the house, so it's quite a long garage. It's in quite close. There's only about 8 properties in this close here, and it's just off the Cannock Road, so you're very close to Burntwood High Street. It's close to local amenities, some good schools, and Chasewater Park as well, so it really is worth a viewing. Let me get you inside the property now. Let me show you around and let you have a look at how well maintained this property is. Let's get you inside, come on. Okay guys, so you've seen around the property now. It really is a beautiful property. They've put the heart and soul into renovating this and making it a lovely family home. I hope you like what you see, and if you're interested, you can either click on the link, fill in your details and request a viewing, or you can contact me on 077 89 647 226 or email mark.garner@exp.uk.com. So that's it from me guys, and I hopefully will be speaking to you soon. Have a good day.